I'm going to share you the components I'm going to use to build a premium DIY PC for my application, photo and video editing. Even though they are for gaming PC, but that's not what I'm going to do. I may try to play some game later, but I'm not very good at gaming. So let's start it with the components. First of all, the case is a Lian Li. The model name or number is 011 Dynamic EVO XL, and this case is white. All the components are used in white. I built the other DIY PC before, they are black, but this time I will try white color and see how it looks. I think it looks fantastic. For the CPU cooling or cooler, I can use AIO or all-in-one. That's a liquid cooling. So basically it has 3 fans TL, okay, model wireless, and gonna be sit on the top of the case. The reason I use this one because it has the OLED LCD curved display, and the model number is, or name is Hydroship 2360 TL OLED curve. I seen it on YouTube and it looked pretty cool, so I try it and see how it look, how it turns out. I believe it turns out wonderful. For additional cooling, I'm going to use 3 Lian Li Unifan TL wireless LCD 140mm. The reason I use the reverse blade for intake air to the case. So I put on the side of the case like this. For intake, the LCD basically display the CPU percentage of usage, or the fan, the temperature, those type of things. Additional, for intake, I use also reverse blades, Unifan TL wireless 140mm, but this one doesn't have LCD. So they are gonna be installed in the bottom of the case, just like this, for intake. Additional, I use 2 Unifan TL wireless LCD. This one has LCD, 120mm. Again, same as this, control wireless by the software designed by Lian Li. So these 2 fans can be installed in the rear of the case for exhaust. It's not reverse for exhaust, reverse for intake. Okay, and it's gonna be in the back like this, but just like this. For the power supply, I also use Lian Li. The model is EG1200G S-Go PHU. The reason I select 1200 watts because most of my components are power hunger or power hungry. It takes a lot of power, so hopefully this one gonna solve the problem or meet the needs. For the main board or the motherboard, I use ASUS ROG Maximus G890 APEC. This motherboard, I believe, is top of the line. Okay, and also white. Every component white. For the microprocessor, I use the Intel Core Ultra 9 series. Just like that. And this is a very powerful CPU. For the RAM, I'm going to use Silicon Power 64GB DDR5 6000 MT per second. This is the first time I use this brand, and I don't really know, but it rated 5 stars, so I try it and see what happens. And I believe it's very good. By the way, this RAM has the LED, and I believe ARGB. It's in color, so it looks pretty cool too. It's also in white. For the operating system storage, I'm gonna use Samsung 9100 Pro 1TB. It basically I use for the Windows 11 Pro, nothing else. Okay, it's just for download or type of thing, but temporarily. Okay, this is for the C drive basically. For the storage, I use Lexus NQ780 4TB for storage, for video and photos. And for the operating system, I use Windows 11 Pro. So hopefully it's gonna be good. And the last component is the most important component, and it's very heavy, because this one gonna help you to visualize what you're doing on your monitor. That is ASUS GPU GeForce RTX 5080. That one is. So this one very powerful. It's the second tier. The top one, I believe, 5090. So this one very good, and it has some kind of the color, the ARGB, so it can control by the software. It's in a very different mode, different color, so it looks very cool too. So I really like it, and it also in white color. So they are very much components I'm going to use to build my premium DIY PC. Hopefully I give you very good information about the gaming PC or some kind of photo video editing. And if you like it, if you like my video rather, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up and share. And hopefully see you next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.